13/16 and between 13/16 and 3/4.
3/4 has been the most consistent.
Yeah.
If there's a little lip, I think we'll survive.
Well, then let's just double check it. Did you bring that pen?
I brought the pencil that you gave me, but we don't have that.
Alright, let's double check. Double check the best we can. So 19.
And we're gonna have the rounded edge right here, right? Or are we gonna have the flat square?
It. I was thinking flat square.
You think flat square?
We can hand round it. Like, you mean rounded like this corner like this?
Like it's. Oh, it is square.
I think it's squared off, so you can do it.
No, yeah, you're right. It is.
But
square.
we can edge it.
I just don't want the flat edge on it.
We can, like, you're talking about like this.
Yeah, I just don't want the cut edge on it.
We can just do that by hand. We don't gotta get like fancy with a router.
What? No.
We can just sand it by hand, like sand it down.
Yeah, I'm just saying, like, I want the good edge on the out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did we say, 19 1/4?
19 3/4.
Yeah, I'm like, I just don't want to cut it short. Yeah, that's 2 feet. I was like, hopefully it's wide enough. Alright, see how, as long as we're close. That's pretty good.
There's a little gap right here, but I think that's
because I cut mine crooked a little bit. Our measurements are correct.
The measurements are correct.
Maybe we'll shave these corners down.
Yeah.
Well, we can do that when we get it on.
Yeah. But it's like, we're pretty fucking exact.
Alright, let's do
Want
it.
to just trace this on it and see?
Test it to make sure it works. See if this method works.
This is literally just this.
You gonna put something underneath?
Yeah, it's on 1.5 inches of I don't know, I saw a trick on YouTube, so I'm gonna try it. If I cut the concrete, it is what it is.
It's not very good to breathe. Okay.
What? Hey, don't you hate on my Riley tools.
No, that's cool.
Hold on.
Yeah, I hate those things.
Yeah. That was gonna be a crime fest if we fucked it up. Hey! Ready?
Yep.
Alright, moment of truth.
Oh!
Getting my countertop dirty. Sink here, we're gonna do a template for the sink, and then this is gonna be our cooking area. Shove it up. And then water's underneath. Beautiful these shelves. Tampons! No girls in the van when you got a box of tampons. Got it. We weren't in drill mode. I didn't know there was a drill mode. I need you to put your knee on this. It's moving.
You want me to stand on it?
No! Dang it! That says that put your knee on it. Sit your butt on it. Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
Wow, look at that.
I also made sure I lined it up so that both the screws started the closest. I don't know if you noticed that, but I made sure I did.
Thank you.
For your OCD sake, I did make sure of that.
Now into the sink, and then we're going to put our rubber washer, our gasket, and our nut, and we're going to connect it from underneath. All right. So
Gotta make sure it's... Learning all sorts of things, aren't we?
Yeah. Probably blocking the entire camera.
It's okay, so am I. Don't worry about it.
Get it?
Yeah. Put your side in first. It's easier for me to...
Sorry. Yeah, you got the finger hole.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Okay. It's pretty good, yeah?
I think so.
It's as far back.
Uh-huh. He's one. Okay. So can I just do it as far back as possible?
Yeah, just, yeah.
God, I hope this doesn't have a do not put on aluminum thing.
I was gonna say maybe a little bit thinner, but we can pull this out. And that's good. Here. When we drop this down, have your paper towels that they're ready.
Jesus. It's everywhere.
Yeah.
I have it all in my hands. Even more all over my hands.
Okay.
I suppose.
Watch your fingers. Ready? We pushed back as far back as we can go.
Yeah.
Okay, so do this. Get that piece
nice wood.
I was gonna do the paper towel, but then I was like, if it soaks into the paper towel, it might
Stick weird.
give it a weird dry.
Oh.
Yeah, let's see. I'm gonna have you push forward on it when I screw those in.
To go.
Okay. Does it look like it's not pulling forward too bad? Okay, let me screw this.
There is a gap back here now, though.
There's always been a gap back there. There's
Sure.
2 of these. Yeah, it doesn't push back any further.
Yeah, right.
What do I do with those screws?
I got some splooge here.
Yeah, just keep a revving.
That's what she said. That's what she said. Well, it's not bad that we're putting this caulk on it while it's still soaking in all the rest of the stuff that's supposed to be.
I don't know, who knows, there's some right here too.
Okay.
Like it's not right yet. And then there's some coming out here, but we'll deal with that in a second. Right here. Where I clamped it down.
I feel like this is sticking out still more. This is flush up against it. Yeah, this is.
It probably pulled.
Here,
Is that good?
Let me push while you clamp it.
Wish I had one of those tiny little drills. Those little short guys.
Oh.
Good?
I think so.
I didn't pop through the top.
I didn't see anything, no.